Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hey, Anna. It's always a pleasure. How are you doing today?
I'm truly wonderful, Mark. Thank you for asking. I just feel really light and happy today. How about you?
I'm fantastic, thank you. Just seeing the sunshine like this puts me in a great mood.
Doesn't it just? It really is a perfect day to dive into a fun topic.
Ooh, I'm intrigued. What's on the agenda today?
Well, today we're talking about vacations.
Vacations. Oh, I love vacations. Now that's a fantastic topic.
Me too, absolutely. But before we get carried away, a quick reminder for everyone listening. Please hit that subscribe button for the Everyday English podcast.
Yes, please do. And if you're a vacation lover, give this episode a like. And sharing it with a friend would mean the world to us.
It really would. Your support is everything. Okay, Mark, are you ready to jump in?
Am I ready? I was born ready. Let's talk vacations.
Excellent. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is a vacation?
That's a solid starting point. Well, simply put, it's a period when you're free from work.
Exactly. No work, no school. It's a proper break, a time to just rest and enjoy yourself.
I have to emphasize the enjoy yourself part. Fun is absolutely essential for a good vacation.
Couldn't agree more. So, where do people typically go?
Oh, the beach is a classic for a reason. It's such a popular spot.
Oh, I adore the beach. The sun on your skin, the sand between your toes, the sound of the water. It's just beautiful.
It really is. So, Anna, what can you actually do at the beach?
Well, the obvious one is swimming in the ocean.
Yes, and swimming is so fun. That cool water is just heaven on a hot day.
Absolutely. Or you can just lie on the sand and soak up the sun.
Ah, yes. Just to unwind, maybe with a good book. Sounds utterly perfect. What about kids? What do they get up to?
Kids are in their element. They love playing in the sand, building these elaborate sand castles.
Oh, of course, with little moats and shells for decoration. It's so creative. And a beach ball is always a hit, too.
A beach ball, definitely. Fun for everyone. So, the beach is one option. What's another popular one, Mark? How about the mountains?
The mountains. A completely different vibe, but just as beautiful.
They really are. You trade the sand and sea for trees and, well, majestic peaks. So, what do people do there?
You go for walks, long, immersive walks among the trees and wildflowers. That's what hiking is all about.
Hiking is such a wonderful exercise.
It is. And the air, it's so fresh and clean up there. Breathing it in feels incredibly good.
And you might even spot some wildlife, right? What kind of animals?
Maybe some birds, squirrels. If you're lucky, you might even see a deer.
Wow, that must be so special. It's so quiet up there.
Yes, incredibly quiet and peaceful. It's the perfect place to calm your mind.
I think so too. So, to summarize, the beach for sun and fun, the mountains for peace and nature.
Nicely put. Where else? What about a big city? A city vacation can be so exciting.
Ooh, a city break, yes. A world away from the mountains. Cities are anything but quiet.
They really are. They're bustling, noisy, and full of life and energy. So, what's on the itinerary for a city vacation?
Well, there are museums, for one. You can immerse yourself in art and history. They're so interesting.
I love museums, Q. And you can go see famous landmarks and monuments.
Yes, like the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Statue of Liberty in New York.
Exactly. You'll be snapping photos constantly. And The food. Oh, the food in a city.
Ah, yes, the culinary scene. You can take a trip around the world through food. All those different restaurants, Italian, Japanese, Mexican. It's a delicious adventure.
A city vacation is perfect for foodies and anyone seeking excitement, that's for sure. So we've got the beach, the mountains, and the city. 3 brilliant choices. But what if you just stay home? Can that be a vacation?
Yes, it absolutely can. That's a great point, Mark. It's called a staycation.
A staycation. I love that. It's a vacation where you stay put.
Precisely. You're off work, but you're not traveling. So what does one do on a staycation?
So many things. You can finally tackle that stack of books you've been meaning to read.
Oh, that's a lovely idea. My to-read pile is enormous. Or you can have a movie marathon.
A movie marathon. I love that idea. You could cook an elaborate meal you never have time for, or just do nothing. Sleep in, truly rest.
A staycation sounds deeply relaxing and so simple. No packing.
Yes, no packing. Packing for a trip can be a chore in itself.
It really can. So, speaking of packing, what do you pack for a beach vacation, Mark?
For the beach, let's see. Swimsuit is the #1 essential, obviously.
Definitely. I always pack a big, soft towel after swimming.
Good call. And a non-negotiable, sunscreen. The sun is intense by the water.
Oh, absolutely. Sunscreen is a must to protect your skin. What else?
A hat and sunglasses to shield your face and eyes.
Smart. And probably some light, airy clothes, a t-shirt and shorts.
Exactly. That covers the basics for the beach. Okay, so what about the mountains? That's a whole different packing list, isn't it?
Completely. For the mountains, sturdy shoes are your best friend.
Ah, yes, of course. For all that walking and hiking, comfortable, strong shoes are vital.
Absolutely vital. You'll also need a jacket. It can get surprisingly cold in the mountains, even in summer.
True, the evenings can get quite chilly, so a jacket is a great idea. So, good shoes and a jacket. What else? Maybe a backpack for water and snacks?
Perfect idea. All that hiking makes you thirsty and hungry.
Right. So that's the mountains. Now, for a city vacation, I imagine you need comfortable shoes there too.
Oh, without a doubt. You end up walking miles in a city, from museums to cafes to shops.
So true. So comfortable shoes are a recurring theme. What about clothes? Maybe something a bit nicer for a fancy dinner out?
That's a good point. A nice shirt or a dress?
Yes. And I never forget my camera for a city trip.
A camera is essential for capturing all the sights.
Definitely. And a map, or more likely these days, your phone with a map app.
Yes, a phone with GPS is a lifesaver for navigating and not getting lost. So we've covered destinations and packing. Let's talk transport. How do people travel for vacation?
Well, for shorter distances, many people take the car. It's convenient, you can pack everything you want, and you have the freedom to stop wherever you like along the way.
That's the classic road trip. And for longer distances?
Then you fly. A plane is incredibly fast. You can be in another country in just a few hours. It's amazing. Being up above the clouds, I love gazing out the window.
Me too. What about trains? Are they a good vacation option?
I think so. There's something very relaxing about train travel. You just sit back and watch the world go by.
Yes, and you can read or chat. It's not as fast as flying, but it's a very pleasant journey.
I agree. So we have cars, planes, and trains, and of course, buses are an option too.
That's right, so many ways to get there. Mark, I have a question for you.
Okay, shoot.
Do you lean more towards a relaxing vacation or an active one?
That's a tough one. A relaxing vacation is, say, the beach, just reading and napping.
Right. And an active one is the mountains, with all that hiking.
I think I prefer a blend, a bit of both. Some relaxation mixed with a little activity.
Ah, the best of both worlds. I think I'm with you on that. What about all of you listening? What do you prefer? Let us know. Mark, tell me about a real vacation from your past that you really loved.
Okay. A few years back, I went to a beach with my family.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Where was it?
It was a little seaside town. Just gorgeous.
What did you do all day?
We were at the beach every single day. We swam in the ocean. The water was this incredible shade of blue.
Wow, that sounds idyllic.
It was. And my sibling and I, we built this massive, elaborate sandcastle.
That sounds like so much fun. Was the food good?
The food was unforgettable. We had the freshest fish, and we ate ice cream every single day.
Ice cream is a vacation essential.
It really is. It was a simple trip, but it was just perfect. So restorative.
It sounds absolutely perfect. Those happy memories are the best souvenirs.
That's so true. Now, your turn, Anna. Tell me about one of your favorite vacations.
All right. One of my favorites was a city trip I took with a couple of friends.
A city break with friends? That sounds like a blast.
It was. We walked absolutely everywhere. We saw so much. I think we hit 3 museums in one trip.
3? Impressive. You must really love museums.
I do. We saw ancient paintings and fascinating sculptures. We took hundreds of photos.
I can only imagine. What was the highlight for you?
Honestly, the food. We made a point to try a different restaurant every night.
Ooh, what kind of cuisine did you try?
We had this incredible, authentic pizza at a little Italian place and the most delicious noodles at a Chinese restaurant.
Yum. It sounds like a vibrant and tasty adventure. A very different pace from my beach trip, but just as wonderful. It goes to show there's a perfect vacation for every taste.
So let's do a little dreaming. If you could go anywhere for your next vacation, no limits, where would it be?
My dream vacation. I think I'd have to say Italy.
Italy? What draws you there?
The history, for one. I'd love to explore Rome. Those ancient ruins are legendary. And, well, the food.
The food again. Naturally, I'd want to eat real Italian pizza and pasta and gelato.
Ah, that sounds like an absolute dream. I really hope you get to go one day.
Thank you. Me too. So what about you? What's your dream trip?
My dream vacation is to see the northern lights.
Wow. The aurora borealis? Those magical lights dancing in the sky.
Yes. I'd go somewhere far north like Norway or Iceland, rent a little cozy cabin, and just watch the night sky.
It sounds utterly magical.
It's a different kind of vacation for sure. Not sunny and hot, but cold and profoundly beautiful.
I think that's a breathtaking dream.
Thank you, Anna. It's wonderful to dream, isn't it?
It really is. It fills me with joy just thinking about it.
Me too. We covered so much ground today. Beaches, mountains, cities, staycations, packing, transport, our own vacation stories, and our dream trips. Wow, this was such a great chat. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Vacations are just a joyful subject, aren't they?
They really are. I hope our listeners had as much fun as we did.
I'm sure they did. Learning English should be a joy, like a little vacation for your mind.
I love that, Anna. A vacation for your mind. That's just perfect. Well, it looks like our time is up for today.
It always flies by. Before we finish, we just want to say a huge thank you for tuning in.
Thank you, everyone. We appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the Everyday English podcast. And if you enjoyed our vacation chat, please give us a thumbs up.
And we'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below.
Yes. Our question for you is, what is your dream vacation? Where in the world would you go? The beach, the mountains, a bustling city, anywhere. Tell us all about it in the comments.